In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in an email. Whether you're sending a professional email, sharing a cool article with friends, or just wanting to make your emails more interactive and neat, adding hyperlinks is a handy skill to master. So, let's dive right in and walk through this simple process together. First, let's start with highlighting the text you want to convert into a clickable link. Now, when you're drafting your email, take a moment to decide what part of your message you want your recipients to click on, a word, phrase, or sentence that leads them to more information. Highlight this specific text by clicking and dragging your mouse over it, or if you're using a touch screen, simply hold down your finger on the text to select it. This is a useful way to provide context and make your email look tidier. Next, we need to open the link dialog. In every email editor, you'll find a toolbar, typically located at the top of your draft. Among those icons, look for the Insert Link button. It often resembles a small chain or paperclip. Give that icon a click, and a dialog box should pop up. If you're uncertain, hover over each icon, and a tooltip will tell you what it does. This step is crucial as it opens up the interface where you can actually input your desired web address. Once you have your link dialog open, it's time to enter the URL. In the dialog box that appeared, you'll notice a field designed to hold the web address you want to link to. This is where you either type out or paste the URL. Let's say, for instance, you're linking to Google. Simply type or paste the web address, which is https://www.google.com, into the designated field. Be sure to double-check that you've entered the web address correctly to ensure it's a valid link. Finally, it's time to confirm and apply the changes. You'll typically see options like OK, Apply, or Done in the dialog box. Go ahead and click one of these to seal the deal. Once you've done this, the text you initially highlighted in your email draft will transform into a clickable hyperlink. You'll usually see it styled in a different color, often blue and underlined, indicating to your recipients that they can click on it to be directed to the link you've included. And there you have it. You've successfully added a hyperlink to your email. This little trick is sure to enhance your emails by making them more informative and user-friendly. I hope this step-by-step guide was clear and helpful to you. Don't hesitate to try this in your next email, and with a bit more practice, you'll be inserting hyperlinks like a pro in no time. Thanks for joining me today, and happy emailing.